First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Now tap Storage and Data. Next, tap Manage Storage. Here, you'll see how much storage WhatsApp is using. You'll also see files that have been forwarded many times and files that are larger than 5 megabytes. Tap on either section to review the files. Select the photos, videos, or documents that you no longer need. Then tap the Delete icon. Tap Delete again to confirm. Now, go back to the Manage Storage page. Scroll down to see the list of your chats. Tap on the chat that is using the most storage. Select the files you want to remove, then tap the Delete icon. Confirm by tapping Delete. Repeat these steps for other chats if you want to free up more space. Once you're done, go back to the Manage Storage page to check your available storage. That's it. This is how you can clear WhatsApp storage on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.